Han, don't even tell me what to do. We should be moving the whole house already.
Ikinig ng music, guys. News na naman tayo nito. Wala nang pakialaman nito.
Rosalinda ay amor, amor.
Hi guys. So ngayon guys, yeah, same pa rin yung suot natin. Wala pa rin tayong ligo. Maligo tayo mamaya. But for now, naglilinis lang ako sa bahay. Ang ginagawa ko is nagmamap lang ako sa sahig kasi ang dumi-dumi na, ang daming buhok. And ito na naman tayo sa stove. Ito yung pala guys, may nagtatanong dito long time ago. Pinakita ko na isa inyo. So kung meron kayong electric stove, ito yung gamitin ninyo. Weiman glass cooktop cleaner. Heavy duty look. Cleaner and polish. And then matatanggal yung may mga hindi natatanggal masyado, di ba? Okay, hindi mo sa ako ni Sibyo ay hindi ko alam hindi lang sa buong Hi guys. I statue and Tom is still walking. Anyway, so we're heading to sa isang bahay kasi gusto naming mag-impake ng mga impake ng mga gamit. But anyway, so kakain lang ako kasi alam nyo naman kapag magutom ako. Ang init. Uy, ang ito talaga yung pinakaano ba? Ang sarap ng humba lagyan ng maraming scallion. Scallion, green onion, dahon ng sibuyas. Yun. Hello guys. So, andito kami sa sasakyan ni Tami. Kay Tami yung sasakyan na ginamit. Kasi iwan ko, sabi ko sa kanya na ito yung gagamitin namin. Sabi ko, and then nag-change yung mind ko na yung gagamitin is yung sasakyan ko. Then sabi niya, no, we're not gonna use your car because you said we're gonna use mine. So ngayon, andito siya guys, nag-ano lang siya, nag-add ng air sa gulong. Ang problema lang guys, kapag umalis kami ni Tami magkasama sa sasakyan, ang problema ko is yung pag-i-smoke talaga niya. So ngayon nauso na yung mask. Nagmamask na ako dito kapag magsigarilyo siya. Kapag ako mag-drive, nahirapan ako maglagay ng mask, you know. Hindi kunin ko naman din lagay na ng mask. Ngayon na siya yung magda-drive. Sasakit talaga ulo ko sa ano guys, yung sigarilyo. Oh, may nagtatanong pala sa inyo. Marami sa inyong nagtatanong kung ano yung gamit ko, anong klaseng color itong buhok ko. Hindi ko masabi guys na mayroon itong color. May color siya pero hindi ko masabi kung ano. Kasi nung nagpunta ako dun sa coloran sa salon, may pinakita lang akong picture. Sana andito pa yung picture sa cellphone ko. And so yun, sabi ko sa kanya, gawin mo to. And then sabi niya sa akin, itatry daw nila na gawin yung color na pinakita ko sa kanila. Kasi mahirap daw. Kasi yung, di ba dark yung buhok ko? Yun. It's cold.
It's a little chilly.
Are you done?
Yeah. Up to 40 pounds.
Huh?
I filled them all up to 40.
40 all of them?
Yeah, the maximum is 51.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah. could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know
Traffic dito guys all the time. And Tommy decided to go to Costco. So ito yung nangyayari. Costco. Traffic. No, it's full. Oh my god, this is really full. Like over here is full.
Yeah, like that.
Oh my god, there's a lot of people in there. Yung tao guys dito, pati puno dito. Usually hindi ito puno. Dito din. So guys, daming tao dito. Daming tao. Traffic. So kuha lang tayo. Ano lang yung kukunin namin dito? So kukunin namin yung bread lang at saka what do you need here? What do we need? Okay, over there.
That way you get the bread?
No, I need that, the bread. Oh, dito yung bread na gustong gusto ko guys. Ito yung gusto ko talaga. Gusto kong kunin. Look, ang daming bumibili nito. Oh, empty na dito. I'm gonna get 2, okay?
What you need? 2, 3, whatever it is.
No. Just 2. Okay, let's go. Maginaw dito ngayon din. Isa-isa lang daw dapat kukunin dito ng toilet. Isa. Hindi pwede dalawa. Isa lang. Kasi pinagbabawal na, limitado na yung konti na lang natira. Dito tayo. Oh, we need to get the too. Konti na lang natira. May nakasulat doon sa taas guys ba. 1 limit lang daw isa. Isang family, isa lang kukunin. Si Tommy, look. Isa lang dapat. Let's go.
Hi, sir. How are you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm great. Have you got solar for your home yet?
I haven't.
Ito lang yung binili namin, konti lang. Usually, marami talagang bilhin namin dito. Pero ngayon, konti lang kasi napagastos sa cellphone. Sabi ko, wag na tayong bibili ng marami. Dahil magastos na. Dalhin ko sana si Luigi dito guys, pero delikado. Ang daming And they have a new thing right now, honey.
What's that?
You don't have to write the check. They just,
Well, they always do that.
they run it.
They always do that. Usually I like to write it myself.
Ang pinunta namin dito is mag-impake sa closet. No, hindi sa closet. Oh, ito siya. Ito yung mga box na gusto ko. Gamitin natin. Wala na akong makitang magasin. Ay, bahala na. Ilagay ko lang yun dito. Wala na din kaming bubble wrap. Akala ko may mga bubble wrap pa kami. Wala na pala. Hindi ko naman ito mga gagamitin. Ilagay ko lang talaga siya sa Mabigat siya, uy. Mabigat pala talaga yung tato. Sabi pa ni Tami, bibili sa'yo siya ng bin. Sabi ko, wag na. Kasi mabigat. Mabigat talaga pala. Punta tayo sa taas. Dito sa kwarto ni sister-in-law, marami pa siyang dapat anuhin dito. May bubble wrap dito. We don't have a thing.
What's that?
Bubble wrap.
I told you we want to stop.
So, let's go find something what we can put in the car instead of that. Man, seriously, you buy and hide it here
What?
instead of bringing it home. There's some. You have some.
Leave it there.
what's in here. I know I get some of this. Oh my God, you're filing up! I emptied this! Yes, I did. I get rid
That's
of...
been in there for years. What are you talking about?
Han, there is a big pot, the ceramic one that moms have, and then I get rid of it over there, and then this is what happened.
Yes, and when you took the containers out of here, they wound up in here.
This is garbage.
Are you kidding?
This is really nothing.
Those are, that's all brand new containers, those little ones.
Go get that one. Oh, this
They
one.
can't have
This
it.
is
You're
really
only
covered.
supposed to do dishes. That's all you're supposed to do here.
Han, don't even tell me what to do. We should be moving the whole house already. Don't tell me what, like, this is what you should do. You know, I'm gonna text
I'm leaving. I'll
Andrea.
come back to you for your Saturday.
Huh?
I'll come back on Saturday and pick you up.
Go ahead.
Okay.
No, this is what happened, honey. Honestly, honey,
I'll be right back.
there's nothing moving
I'll
here in
be
this
right
house.
back.
This house is
Right
should
back.
be sell. This house it should be empty and cleaned up already for people who want to buy this house. But you are the one who is stopping everybody, and when Andrea is doing stuff, you like crazy. And why you buy a lot of tomato sauce?
Alright.
Everything went like flying. Can you tie this? Kaya hindi matapos-tapos ito kasi parang ayaw niya mag-impake. Nagmamadali. Iwan daw niya ako dito and then he will come back for Saturday. What kind of husband is he? Saturday, my ass. He just burped like a pig. Kada impake na lang, ganito na lang yung drama. Ayaw niya mag-impake. Naloka ako. Ano ba? Sis, ginoko. Kaya walang katapusan. Nag-empty ako a long time ago. Nag-empty ako ng cabinet. Here, you wanna put this?
Just put it in the box.
Ha? Lagay natin yan dyan. Dyan. Okay. I'll drive, ha? No, I'll drive. I'll drive. Don't forget your phone over here.
You taking these bowls?
No,
that's myself.
I come back here Saturday, guys.
Oh, no, she's not.
Yes, we are.
No, she's not.
Honey, please. Why you see
I
that?
don't trust her.
Seriously, I'm
Don't
gonna...
trust her.
You know, I'm gonna tell
Not
Andrea
coming.
to come with me.
It ain't happening.
Well, I'm gonna tell Andrea to come with me.
Hell's gonna freeze.
What? We're all gonna freeze because you're gonna make the temperature down. Seriously, you are such a bad brother and a husband. I'm gonna bring Andrea here. What? Han, you never teach me. There's a lot of knives over there. Han,
Oh, yeah, I like knives.
when I was looking for knives, you
I
said,
like knives.
tignan nyo, ang daming kutsilyo. Scary, guys. If I die, guys, if I don't vlog for 2 days, that means there's something happened to
You
me.
found out what the knives are for.
So that means if I don't vlog, because I vlog every day, so if I don't upload in 2 days, look for me, call the cops, and look, it's like said that MaryAnn vlogger in YouTube, live in New York, and tell the information of Tammy's husband.
R.I.P. instead of MaryAnn A.
He's a vlogger and tell us Thomas.
R.I.P.
Han, can you just, oh my God, honey. You, oh my God, we have to knock the wood, Han. Yes, Allah, guys, ito pala yun. Han, I never know, for 9 years living in this house, I never know this exists.
I told you, you just weren't interested.
Ha?
I told you, you just weren't interested.
Yung Omaha steak, pinadalhan ako ng ano, coupon, Omaha steak. Let me see if I have a coupon here. I don't like the way they cook steak, guys. Look at that, guys. It's really uncooked.
The way people eat steak.
You think I'm gonna keep this? No, we don't really do it because we don't do gifts.
I'll tell you, never know.
Shipping, free shipping, oh, save 20 and 20 later.
Yeah.
Well, is there any code in here? I almost throw out the code. Takot ako sa bahay na to, guys, ngayon. Iwan ko. Okay. Yung light. Inon ko kasi sa 3rd floor. Takot ako dito, Honey!
3rd floor too?
Yeah, the 3rd floor is the on one because I pressed the thing because I went up there. Nandito tayo sa sasakyan. Pauwi na kami kasi nagmamadali itong si Mister. Ay, ko. Nagmamadali si Tami. Iwan ko, itong asawa ko. Andun daw siya sa taas. May pinuntahan lang. May binalikan sa taas kasi ano daw. May blanket daw doon para sa mga pusa niya. Kung aalis na kami ngayon mga 5. Kung walang traffic, 5 andun na kami. Meron naman kami mga leftovers, so okay na kami. So where is my bread? Oh my God, you're squeezing that.
Squished, it's hard.
Where is the other one?
There should be 2 there.
Hello. Wait, hold on. Wait.
And there's 2.
Yes, no, yes. The problem is it's 2, yeah, but you squeeze them. Oh my God. Yeah, yes. Oh my God. And it's open. What the heck?
Oh, why is it open? That's a good
Because you
question.
did it.
Why did I open it?
News na naman tayo, guys. Hindi tayo makikinig ng music, guys. News na naman tayo nito. Wala nang pakialaman nito. Ano naman itong mga balitang-balitang ito. Kami na kailangan ng mamalita ng mga stressful ng mga news. Gusto tayo makinig ng mga stressful ng mga news. Ito si Enrique Rian. Hi guys! Goodness. We're almost home. Aray, kinukuha nila. I do like that. I walk like this. Oh, there's something wrong with you. Don't play with your car, honey. So we're almost home, guys, and you know what, guys? It's colder up here. It's a lot colder compared to close to the city. Well, actually, the city of New Rochelle, of Westchester. Mas maginaw dito, grabe. Once you open the window, the little crack of the window over there, you can feel the chill. Oh guys, I tell you, yesterday I have a really bad pain sa ano ko. I think that was arthritis or something. My joint is really bad. Minasage ako ni Tami kagabi. He massaged me last night. He massaged my foot. And then this morning, I don't feel it until now. Wala na siyang sakit. Hindi ko na na-feel yung sakit. Wala na. But he really did good massage it, and I feel so good when he's massaging my feet. And he told me that my foot is bony. It's a lot of bones. Come here, find Dada. Come here. Come here, Dada's in. Dada's right here. Dada's right here, right here. Naamoy nila sa Tami. Right here. Wait, right here. Dada's right here. Right here, Dada's right here. Oh, you're such a whiner.
We're back. We're back.
Oh, happy babies. Come on, out, out. Hello, na happy kids. Happy kids. Kararating lang. Nagbihis agad ako guys kasi nag-sweater agad ako kasi ang ginaw, grabe. So ngayon, pagdating agad luto na 'yon. Gagawa lang si Tami ng wrap. I don't know how you call that, wrapping. Igisa ko lang yung steak, onion, garlic, and then meron tayong rice. Yan, rice and then cheese. Yun yung dinner namin. And then I'm gonna eat my champurrado.
The hell is a chaparrado?
The chocolate porridge.
Oh, please.
Yes.
That's dinner. That's
Yes.
a cereal.
Oh, you don't have any.
That's like dessert.
That's not cereal.
It's dessert.
That's what I'm gonna eat. So are you
You're
gonna?
gonna have dessert for dinner. Are you kidding?
Whatever
Anything
you
with the
want.
word chocolate in it is dessert.
It's not. No.
It's not food if it's got chocolate in it.
Whatever.
Have you ever heard of chocolate steak, chocolate burger, chocolate pasta,
Han,
chocolate rice? Really? Anything?
this is what I'm
Got the word
marrying.
chocolate in it, it's dessert. It's not food.
I can't talk because he is a really talkative guy.
Uh-huh.
Why he is over there?
He said because I want to, just because I like to. Oh.
Ito yung wrap ni Tami. Stir fry na steak. Masarap yan. At saka beans. Oh, this is really freaking hot. And then fried rice. Did you put fried rice in it? No. I need to charge my phone.
It sure is a real challenge, and I think that in a lot of ways we may be understating just how much this crisis will define politics, probably for the next 15 years.
Nag-una yung heater. Kasi napifill ata ng heater na ang ginaw naman dito sa bahay ng bahay ko. Sabi pa ganun si Tami andun sa labas. Sobrang ginaw din sa labas. Do you want fireplace? Do you want fireplace? I'll turn it on for you. Let me turn this on for you. Okay. Aga. It's already 6:50 guys. And anyway, magtanggal lang ako ng makeup. Kasi para mamaya hindi na tayo magtanggal-tanggal pa. I-end ko na tong vlog guys. Maaga ngayon tayo mag-end. Kasi usually tulog na kami. May kausap si Tami pa. But anyway. Yan. Night guys. See you tomorrow. May kausap pa kasi. Good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Yung binbag ko ang daming Diyan kasi ako tambay guys. So yan, anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoy or I hope you like the video. I know it's not enjoyable pero I hope you like the video. Sana makikita ko kayo bukas. And huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at saka mag-like. Bye guys. Thank you guys. I will see you. Magkita-kits tayo bukas. Bye!